as per the title you must have seen, I'm trying to make this video to explain the issue that I have been facing with the wireless Android Auto connecting from my Android head unit to my phone. As you can see, this is the scenario that you must have been facing, like this green circle. It always tries to keep connecting and there's no connection between the Android head unit and the phone. This has basically started happening after my phone got upgraded to Android 15. This was not that of an issue before Android 15, but now lately it has started happening. So I tried to find what was the issue, and from there I was led to a chat in Reddit, and from there I found out that it's some bug that is causing this issue. It's just like a Bluetooth connectivity issue. So I will show you how this problem is replicated, how this problem can be, like there's a workaround. There can be a workaround to get this Android Auto working every time wirelessly. To show this is not a wireless Android connecting, this is just a charging port that is connected to the 12-volt socket. Okay. And also to tell you, I don't have any extra app installed in my phone, like anything like Z-Link or anything like that. No apps installed on my phone. So this is just a connectivity between this Android head unit and the phone, just via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. That's the only two things that you need to connect these two things wirelessly. Okay, now I'll show you. Well, of course, this Android head unit is a wireless Android head unit, a Carplay and Android Auto, and after the update it stopped working. So you see this thing, it's not connecting. So now I'll show you what to do. Let's say this phone connection, you can see that it means it is connected via Bluetooth. So if I switch off the car, and here if I wait for the Bluetooth connectivity to totally go away, you can see looking for Android, and this should go away first thing. I'll just wait for it. Maybe I'll just speed up. Okay, it's gone. That means the Bluetooth is totally disconnected. Now if I start and if I wait for the Bluetooth to connect, you will see that it'll connect right away. Another sound of my Wolf box camera. Okay, now it's showing looking for Android, and the first time it connects, the Bluetooth icon comes and you will see the Z-Link. This will not be happening, green little circle. It will immediately go to Android Auto. There you go. It immediately jump to Android Auto seamlessly. I just pause the music. Okay, so this proves that the Android Auto wirelessly, it is working, but there's some bug. Now let me prove that bug. Okay, here I'll go to this. This is the hotkey to jump to Android Auto. I'll go to this. The Bluetooth is connected. Now now let's say the car key has been cranked up to the accessories. Now if I move on to start the car, at that time you will see that this Android Auto head unit goes off for a second and it comes back on, and during that time the Bluetooth does not disconnect, but the Android Auto disconnects. And there's the bug. The Bluetooth should be disconnecting properly, but it does not happen. So I'll just start the car. Okay, oopsie, it was in gear. 1 minute. Okay, there you go. So now the Android Auto will not connect, and it will keep on looping into this green circle of death of Android Auto. And that's how I have replicated this issue. Now during this time, how to connect the Android Auto is the main question which many people will be facing. It's just one small thing you need to do. You just go to the phone's Bluetooth here, phone's Bluetooth, select to switch off the Bluetooth. Let the Bluetooth switch off to the level that you see that the phone icon from here goes. That means the Bluetooth is disconnected properly. You immediately switch on the Bluetooth and select the car Android head unit that you have for Bluetooth to connect. It will not connect automatically, you have to select it, and the moment it selects, you will see that this phone icon has come. The phone icon comes and immediately the Z-Link auto connects. There you go. That's how I have fixed my auto disconnection problem bug. That's a workaround. Okay, now let's say how easily I can, let's say how, like, every time I come in, how can I avoid this thing? Like, you can just do one thing. You can switch off the car every morning. Let's say you want to come here and you want to start the car. Let's say I'll wait for the Android Auto again to disconnect properly. And there you go, the Android Auto is now disconnected properly. And now if I start from when I twist the key from accessories to engine on, I shouldn't be waiting that long to start the car. Like, it should not connect to the Bluetooth, and before that the car should be switched on, because the Android Auto head unit switches off. And hence I'll show you. There I started the head unit, I started the car, and I switched on the car. There you go. And now you see, before the Bluetooth is connected, the car is on, and the moment the Bluetooth gets connected, the Android Auto will connect seamlessly without any issue. There you go. Bluetooth is connected, and there you go. That was really quick, the Android Auto connect. So now you know how to connect your Android Auto to the head unit. If you want to start the car immediately, it will work, and if you have, like, the Android Auto head unit goes off, it will go into that mode, and in that case you need to switch off the Bluetooth, switch on the Bluetooth, select the car Android head unit to connect to it, and your Android Auto will work again. You will not need any extra app in the phone. You will just need to see that there is a Z-Link app in the head unit that is installed here. That's it. That's the only app you need, nothing else. So I hope that fixes your issue of connectivity of wireless Android Auto and Carplay, Apple Carplay. And I hope this video gets, like, really useful for you. Thank you.